Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to UV. I am by no means a professional at this, but I figured I could show you, and in that case you can learn on the knowledge. So what I'm going to do is, I have my object here that needs to be UV'd, as I can show you. I drag out another window, go down to this cube, oh, don't want to do that, and then I click UV image editor. So now that I have that open, you can see I'm selecting everything over here with A, and nothing showing up over here. So to create simple UVs, it's kind of easy. You're going to go over here to shading in UV, and you're going to see the UVs tool, UV mapping. You can use Unwrap, Smart UV Project Light Map Pack, and follow active quads, cube projection, cylinder projection, and sphere protection, and project view, and project U from bounds. So I'm doing different things with this project. I'm going to start off with selecting my screen. So I'm just going to select this, make sure it's selected. And now I'm going to click Unwrap. It's a simple plane because that's what I want it to do. Now that I got the UVs transferred over here. So I'm going to hit A over in the right hand window and reselect. And I'm just going to drag this up because I want it up a little bit higher so I can have it display an image. Next, I'm going to select the base unit, select, and for those who don't know, you can actually save the vertices over here by clicking assign on whatever texture you need. So you can have it as a different texture or put it together. So I click assign and it's now selected fully. So deselect and then select. Once again, I'm just going to simply unwrap, which that did nothing. So I'm going to have to follow with the Smart Project UV. Or what I can do is I can take one of these vertices by switching to vertex mode, select one of the vertices, and right click. You can actually end up saving the seams that you create by clicking mark seams. And what that does is that kind of just unravels everything. So I'm going to select this one right here. I'm going to mark the seam. Now you see it's selected red. I'm going to select. And now I'm going to attempt to unwrap again. So notice how it's slightly messed up, but that's okay. It kind of sucks, but we can fix that. So you can end up doing multiple different things. So Smart UV Project. You can adjust your angle limit and everything else with it. To be honest, I really don't mess with that too much. I just keep it at strong angles. You can do 90 if you really needed to. So I hit OK. And now I have everything neatly organized. Now keep in mind, doing it through this method, it can mess up your UVs on how the project looks. It is not the best, but it can do the job. For me, this is going to be fine because this is going to be a solid material, so I don't need to worry about it as much. But if you're worried about it, you can simply select all the faces. Make sure you don't accidentally select anything else. So now that I have everything selected, I can always mark the seams like this, and then reselect it, and then I can attempt to unwrap it again. In that case, I can keep everything organized. So that looks fine to me, so I'm going to continue. Now, on the back side of this, I'm just using the numpad to move around. I need to do the camera slot for this. So I'm going to go ahead and select the camera, click select, and then I'm going to simply unwrap it. This is approximately what I need. It should be fine. So you can scale it by hitting S on your keyboard, and then G to move. So now that I have that, and now to do the lens. Click and unwrap. And that's pretty much how you UV. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. I can upload a better video, a little bit more detailed. But this is just for being complete basic, just to show you how to use the UV tool. You can also move around UVs by hitting G, and you can adjust the vertices. You select what you need with C, you move that as well. So the tools are pretty much unlimited. I'm only showing you the fundamentals. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.